Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate destination for beauty and fashion inspiration. Today, we're diving into the world of hairstyles and focusing on a timeless, chic look that's perfect for every season: long shag haircuts. Whether you're looking to transform your hair game or simply add a touch of effortless style, this video is packed with ideas and tips to inspire your next haircut. So, grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's explore how to make your locks look stunning. When it comes to hairstyles that exude effortless charm, long shags are at the top of the list. These cuts have become incredibly popular because they work wonders on all hair types, whether you're rocking thick, luscious locks or fine, delicate strands. The beauty of the long shag is its ability to add volume, remove excess bulk, and frame your face in a way that feels natural yet stylish. Let's start with the classic choice: long hair with highlights. This look is perfect for date nights or relaxed beach days. The layers add texture, creating that desirable edgy vibe. Got thick hair? No problem, tie it into a messy bun for a cute, carefree style. If you're a fan of golden hues, a shag with warm blonde tones paired with shadow roots will give your hair depth and dimension, especially under the sun. It's a summer-ready look that's hard to resist. For those who love versatility, a balayage shag with wavy bangs and textured pieces is your go-to style. It works particularly well on fine hair, adding much-needed body and movement. On the other hand, if your hair is thick, consider a choppy shag with side-swept bangs and copper tone layers that curl elegantly around your jawline. This elongates your neck and gives off an effortlessly sophisticated vibe. Looking for something bolder? Extreme layers are a statement-making choice. They suggest confidence and personality while creating a modern, softer version of retro styles. You can modify the length and density of these layers to suit your preferences. A red-tone chestnut shag with sweeping bangs is a great example. It combines thick upper layers with wispy ends, ensuring a playful yet polished look. Now, let's talk about fine hair. A shaggy cut with wispy ends and feathered layers around the face can make a world of difference. It adds volume and ensures there's no limp strand in sight. Pair this with a light brown tone, and you'll have a hairstyle that's both trendy and low maintenance. To maintain the vibrancy of your color, always opt for sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners, and don't forget a deep conditioning treatment to enhance shine. For those who prefer a sleek and shiny approach, flipping the ends of your layers while blow-drying creates a feathered effect that's simply stunning. This works wonders for black hair, breaking up its uniformity with varied lengths and layers. Alternatively, shaggy waves with longer bangs offer incredible versatility. Pin them back for a polished office look or leave them out for a boho vibe that's perfect for casual outings. For the warmer months, a razored shaggy haircut is a must-try. It allows you to tie your hair up while leaving longer pieces in the front to frame your cheekbones and jawline beautifully. This cut is ideal for those with thick hair, offering a feathered look that's reminiscent of the trendy 80 seconds. Whether you opt for short bangs or longer fringe pieces, this style is all about adding life to your long locks. Finally, let's not forget about wispiness, a key feature of thin layers spread throughout the hair. This cut is perfect for those with finer locks who want to maintain a fuller appearance. To complement this style, consider integrating oil masks into your routine 1 to 3 times a week. Not only do they boost shine, but they can also encourage hair growth in sparser areas, ensuring your shag looks its best at all times. And there you have it, gorgeous long shag hairstyles that are perfect for achieving that effortless, stylish look. Whether you're a fan of bold layers, soft feathering, or textured balayage, there's a shag haircut out there to suit your style and personality. So why not take the plunge and transform your locks into something truly spectacular? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more beauty and fashion tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us which shag hairstyle inspired you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.